Happy day, children. This is Class 5 SST, Chapter 7 Prairies, Part 2. Okay, in this video, we are going to see many other information about the temperate grasslands of the world, that is, prairies, which is situated in North America. Okay, so the first one we will see about the life of people in prairies. Uh, how are the people living in prairies? Okay, so the prairies are sparsely populated. So what do you mean by sparsely? Sparsely means people live in a very less quantity. They are not densely populated area. Okay, so people live in a very few numbers, and most of the people who live in prairies, they are descendants of European countries. What do you mean by descendants means the people who follow the same family, okay, who belong to the same family line, that is grandfathers. So all the whole family, they belong to European settlers and they came from European countries, and the others who live there, they are farmers. Okay, so what is the main occupation? Their main occupation is growing crops, and they rear animals. Okay, and there is a special name for the people who rear animals. They are called as gauchos. So this is a new term for you, GAUCHOS, gauchos. Next one is farming in the prairie region. So as I told you, there are many grasslands in prairie region. Okay, mainly the eastern part of the prairies. The western part, I told you, it is very hilly, and it is used only for grazing. Okay, only animals graze over there, but the eastern part is very fertile. There people grow many crops. Okay, so the first occupation, their main occupation is agriculture, mainly in the eastern part of the prairies. Okay, so they have many acres of land, and they do agriculture with the help of machines, and they adopt many scientific methods also for the growing crops. Okay, and many fertilizers also they use for the crop cultivation, and thus they grow more crops. Okay, so the mainly they grow wheat. Okay, wheat, maize, barley, rice, and oats. So these are the major crops which are grown in prairies. So since wheat is produced in a very large quantity, it is called as, this area is called as the wheat basket of the world, and they export wheat to the other countries also. Okay, and that's why it is called as the wheat basket of the world. Next occupation is cattle rearing. So as I told you, there are many grasslands. People have more cattle at their home. Okay, so they rear animals, and these animals are left in a grasslands for grazing. Okay, so not in the fields, only in the grasslands where the grasses is not necessary, it's not needed. There they leave their animals for grazing. Okay, so as I told you, the western part of the prairies is not very fertile. They are very hilly region. So there in the western part of prairies, the land is very infertile, it is not fertile, and the rainfall occurring also, it's very less. Okay, and that is the reason why people living in the western part of the prairies, they rear animals. Okay, and they have more farms, animal farms called ranches. Okay, where cattle all reared. So these animals, they provide food in the form of milk and also meat. Mainly they rear cows. Cows are used for getting milk and as well as milk products. What are the milk products? We have butter, cheese, okay, then what else, ghee, everything. These are the milk products they get from the cow. Next one is one important diet for the people who live in prairies, that is not only people living in the prairies, also people of the Americans. Okay, so this beef is a most important diet. of the Americans. What do you mean by beef? Beef means it is the meat of cow. Okay, that is called as meat. And there is also an important center for slaughtering these animals, especially cows. So what do you mean by slaughtering? Slaughtering means killing animals for their meat. Okay, so there is a center in Chicago for killing cows for their meat. So that is called as slaughtering. Okay, and after they slaughter animals, they export this beef to European countries. Okay, and also in prairie region they are very rich in minerals. Okay, and apart from slaughtering factories, and they have ore crushing factories also. Since they are very rich in minerals, they crush the ores and they use it for various purposes. And also they have oil refineries, which is also being developed. So as I told you in previous lesson, Saudi Arabia lesson, we learnt about oil refinery. Oil refinery means they get oil from the crust of the earth and they export to other countries. Not only exporting, they use it for their own country also. So from the oil refineries, the crude oil is converted into petrol, diesel, and the factories are called as oil refineries. And oil refineries also found in this region. And not only these oil refineries and ore crushing factories, many other industries like meat packing and flour mills. As I told you, wheat is the most important crop. So they out of wheat they get the flour, and it is done only in the flour mills. So these are the other important industries which are found in prairie region. Okay, so these are the so in this lesson we studied about the people living in prairie region, about the grassland, and what are the main occupation, what are the industries which are found, and how is the climate, vegetation, everything. So this is the final slide, children. Thank you.